Alrighty guys, I don't really know what this is. Some kind of amplifier. It looks like a factory made amp. It's got power, preamp, sideband, AM, high, low. It's a 3-pill. It's got some old TRW transistors in it. Belongs to a good customer of mine. We just got it out and fixed it up. Put your new pill connectors in there like you asked. Put your new wire in there like you wanted. That's not a real hot box, but it does alright. Full 3-pill. Got it all up and running and working. First we start out like a straight through SWR like we do it. Straight through SWR. Worldwide, 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 worldwide. Hello audio, 1, 2, 1, 1, 0. Go SWR. Turn it on. AM on high power. Input SWR, I'm on 0. Look at 1,000 watt slug, PEP on a bird. Hello audio, 1, 2, 3, hello, 1, 2, 3, hello, 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 hello. Hello audio, 300 PEP. Good numbers. On the LP on high power. Hello audio, 1, 2, 3, hello, 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 hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hello audio, hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 298. Hello audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The tune's good when you talk. Then turn it on low power. Hello audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By 239. On the bird, 1,000 watts look. Hello audio, 1, 2 is trying to show what's the same. Hello audio, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Turn it back on high. Hello audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1. Hello audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like I said, I don't really know what size pills anymore. Don't really know a lot about it, but I know we got it all working. But that's what he wanted. Changed his coax ends. Let's see, we'll set the tin back on it. It's a pretty box. Set the lid back on it. There it is. Anybody knows what it is? Let me know or something. Some kind of factory 3-pill. I didn't see no numbers on the back. That on the back. Pretty neat little unit. Somebody must have made a few of them. Alright, bud. Alright, everybody. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Go for 10, 0 and 8 boots. Catch you later. Bye.